So you have around 145,000 naira to spend on a smartphone. And you're wondering which one should you go for between, the Tecno Spark 40 and the Infinix Hot 60i, because both of them are nearly identical. The same chipsets, similar price range, similar features. So which one should you go for? In this video today, I'm going to explain everything you need to know and tell you the best one you should go for, even the one I would love to go for if I'm to choose between both of them. If you love this information I'm about to get from this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the button below and turn on the bell notification icon so that when I create more videos like this, you guys will be the first to get notified. Trust me guys, on my channel here I create reviews like this: iPhones, Infinix, Tecno, Itel, any gadget of your choice. You're going to see it over here on my channel. So click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon to not miss out on the next video. Okay, so let us get started. First of all, the design and body build. So for the Tecno Spark 40, we all know it's kind of, has the iPhone 17 Pro Max concept. Yes, it is still very cool, sleek. It looks even premium for that price. Yes, and for the Infinix Hot 60i, this looks like, it got inspiration from the Samsung S series, the base model. Yeah, so both phones, got their inspiration from the big name in the phone industry, right? And they both look cool and sleek. Yeah, so I think it's a win-win for both of them on this one. They both have 7 mm thickness and also IP64 water and dust resistant. So now for this design and body build, they're both going head to head. Now it depends on, do you love, the iPhone concept, or do you love the kind of Samsung concept? I personally looking for the Samsung concept. Yeah, so this one is in terms of your preference, okay? Since they are both identical in the 64 rating and the thickness. For the display, both phones have 720p resolution and also 120Hz refresh rates. However, the Tecno Spark 40 is slightly smaller as it has 6.67 inches screen, while the Hot 60i is a bit larger with 6.7-inch screen. The Spark 40 has sharper contrast and more vibrant colors, while the Hot 60 hits 700 nits brightness and includes always on display and outdoor boosts. So in terms of the screen size and outdoor usage, Infinix takes the win, while in terms of the vibrancy of the colors, when I'm watching movies or anything, Tecno Spark 40 takes the win. For the performance, what can these phones handle? So both of them have the same chipset, which is the MediaTek Helio G81. Okay, and they both offer same variants for the storage and RAM, which is they have the 4 gig RAM, 6 gig RAM, 8 gig RAM, and also 128 gig storage and 256 gig storage. So these are identical on both phones. However, the Tecno Spark 40 has the option to extend the RAM, to 16 gig RAM. It is extendable from 8 gig to 16 gig RAM, but I'm not sure the Infinix can do that. Okay, so in terms of the performance, while both of them will be going head to head, the Tecno Spark 40 may slightly take the win because of this, extendable RAM. Now, off the next one, which is the camera. So looking at the rear of this phone, you may think that this phone have, triple camera, but no, both of them have just single main camera and single selfie camera. One is an IR blast on both phones, and the other one is just for fancy. And both phone has 50 MP as its main camera and 8 MP as its selfie camera. Now, in real usage, both phones are going head to head in terms of the camera. Okay, they both take decent photo with proper lighting. Okay, they don't do well in terms of low lights. Both of them, both the selfie and the rear camera. Okay, and in terms of the video, these phones can actually shoot 2K videos at 30 FPS, 1080p videos at 30 FPS. Yes, however, do not expect any stabilization for both phones. So if your hand is shaky, it is going to be so obvious on the video you are making. Yes, so both phones. So this now is like, head to head in terms of the camera. Both the Infinix Hot 60i and the Tecno Spark 40 for the audio and extra. So both phones have dual stereo speakers. While the Hot 60i sounds slightly better and retains a headphone jack, okay, both phones have the IR blaster, which can use to control either your TV, AC, fan, or any appliance at home that requires you to control with an IR blaster. So you can just ditch your remote once you have either of these phones. Hot 60i includes a dedicated one-tap AI button, which is fully customizable, and the Spark 40 doesn't have that. So over here, the Infinix Hot 60i takes the win over the Tecno Spark 40 because of, it has a better sound quality and more customizable features. Now off to the battery and charger. So both phones come with 5200 mAh battery and they can charge at 45 watts speed. Okay, so at this point they are still going head to head in terms of the battery and charging. They're going to last, you know, more than 1 day if you're a light user, and about, you know, 7 hours, 8 hours if you're a heavy user. And now going back to the processor, if you watch the Ninja videos I did for both of them, I talked about, you cannot really play heavy games on this phone because the processor is not, capable of handling heavy games. You can just do, let's say, your Subway Surf, Candy Crush, light games on this phone. Okay, so this is just for you guys who are watching this video and want to go for any of them for heavy gaming. Even though, yes, it's going to carry your Call of Duty, your Genshin Impact, your PUBG, trust me, at some point in the long run, your phone will start overheating or probably start lagging and hanging. Okay, so if you're getting this phone for game, then you should expect this thing to happen in the nearest future. Okay, now for the software and AI features, so both phones run on Android 15. Okay, the Tecno Spark 40 has its iOS 15, yes, which is the latest, while the Infinix Hot has own OS, which is the XOS 15.1, which is also the latest. So both phones are equipped with AI features. For Tecno, you have Ask Ella, you have AI writing and AI translation, while for Infinix, you have AI document assistant, AI generator wallpaper, AI sketch art, and also Folax, which is powered by DeepSeek and RON. Now, there's one feature that may Tecno take the win in this software and AI features, which is the free link. Now, let's say you and your friend have this Tecno Spark 40, right? You cannot really make a call, call your friend within 500 meters without, spending any airtime, without network or nothing. Your friend is going to hear what you're saying fully. This is within 500 meters. And now this is good for, let's say, you and your friends are kind of going out for flexing or hiking or anything, and there is no network at that place, right? Once you will have your Tecno Spark 40, call yourself while everybody is struggling with network, both of you can hear yourself clearly, okay, and you can just connect easily, right? This mixes of kind of Bluetooth, yes. So I think Tecno takes the win over it because of this particular free link feature, which I think is very commendable for Tecno at this point. So now, to my final verdict, which one should you go for if you have 145,000 to spend on either of these phones? Okay, so now before I tell you guys, if you're looking for where you can get your gadgets, iPhone, Samsung, Infinix, Google Pixel, Tecno, whatever phone I tell, right? Check out my page, New One Gadget. Now, that is on TikTok actually. Now, the reason why I started doing this is because most of you guys have been complaining about, you're scared of being scammed. Even though I created a lot of videos about, how to avoid being scammed when you buy any phone. But I decided to go a step further and start getting those phones from the supplier themselves abroad so that I can sell it to you, the original ones, right? Yes, so check out my page. You can see all the phones over there at an affordable rate. Yes, you have peace of mind where you're getting from me, and it is reliable. So check out my page on TikTok, Mivon Gadgets, and tell me, just send a DM and tell me the phone you want to go for, and I will tell you the price and just come get it. Okay, I deliver nationwide wherever you are in Nigeria. All right, so let us continue. Now, from the beginning of this video, we all saw that both phones were going head to head. The design and body build, right? The display, the processor, practically everything, the cameras, right? The battery and charging, they're all going head to head. Okay, so the very first one I'm going to choose is, or let's say, if you are a fan of, let's say, iPhone, right? Because that is giving kind of iPhone design vibes, then you should go for the Tecno Spark 40. Okay, and I also love that feature, which is the free link, where you and your friend have that phone, people can call yourself without spending airtime or having to go on WhatsApp and all, which is also a plus for the Tecno Spark 40. However, the truth is, I am a Samsung person, right? So I would go for the Infinix. I love how the Infinix looks. Okay. Now, even though Infinix got inspiration from Samsung, it was not so verbatim that this is like a Samsung device. Okay, because they had to change the position of their camera from kind of the circular design that we see on the Samsung to kind of this square shaped camera angles, right? So it's kind of still giving a unique vibe other than that of the Techno. And if it looks more premium to me than the Tecno. So if I have 145K and I want to go for either of these two phones, trust me, I'm going for the Infinite. But guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Which one will you go for if you have 1.5K to spend on a phone? Okay, and I'll see you guys and hear your thoughts. Okay, so guys, let's meet at the comment section as we discuss further.